Hi friends, welcome to the channel GN Info 190. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about the Sonos Arc Ultra feature sound motion technology by Michael Hemsworth, released 16 October 2024 tech. The Sonos Arc Ultra soundbar is the updated version of the brand's signature living room audio unit that's engineered with a next-gen user experience in mind that will immerse them deeper into their favorite content and music. The soundbar utilizes the brand sound motion technology that sees the size of the bass transducer reduced and an increase to output for a revolutionary new experience. The unit has a total of 7 tweeters, 6 midwoofers and a sound motion woofer, which the brand claims can pump out 9.1.4 sound without the need for additional components. The Sonos ARC Ultra soundbar is available now for order for $999 and also features True Play EQ tuning alongside Bluetooth playback that can all be accessed through the brand's app. Trend themes number 1, enhanced immersive audio. Soundbars like the Sonos Arc Ultra leverage advanced sound technologies to deliver an unprecedented immersive audio experience. Number 2, compact powerful bass. Innovations in bass transducer technology are enabling sound systems to offer rich, powerful bass despite a reduction in size. Number 3, AI-powered sound tuning. Soundbars incorporating AI-driven EQ tuning such as TruePlay are optimizing audio performance tailored to individual user environments. Industry implications. Number 1, consumer electronics. Next-gen soundbars like the Sonos Arc Ultra are pushing the boundaries of home audio capabilities and consumer expectations. Number 2, home entertainment. The evolution of soundbar technology is significantly enhancing the home entertainment experience, driving increased demand for high fidelity audio equipment. Number 3, audio engineering. Breakthroughs in sound motion and EQ tuning technologies are revolutionizing the field of audio engineering, creating new benchmarks for performance. I hope you will enjoy this news. Please subscribe my channel Jane Info. Have a nice time. Goodbye.